And what was that kind of, evolutional turn, or what was that turning point where you went, wait a minute, something's happening with lights. There's an opening here. Where was that event? When was that event happening?
Okay. So essentially us as me, my CTO and my CEO, we ourselves have been in the crypto space, and fiddling around in the Web3 ecosystem for a little while. Our CTO, many years more than us, but me and the CEO, about 7 months. We've been playing around in it. I've been in crypto since 2017. And, really the thing we saw was, okay, so a lot of high-level light show artists that were the forefathers, pioneers at the beginning of this art back in like 2007, 2008, they've since retired. And it's because it's such a little niche art form, and like, okay, you've built yourself credibility in this niche space of, oh, I'm one of the pioneers, the OGs, the forefathers. What does that really provide to you in your actual intrinsic real world life? Not really anything, right? And like I like to use the analogy of esports, right? 15 years ago, if a kid was playing some video games, their parents were like, hey, like, you're rotting your brain, you need to go outside, throw a football, do something productive. And esports in that way didn't really get the respect that it now has in the way that it's built now, until its constituents, its players, its people were able to make a substantial earning and a living and an income from their passion, their art form. And so what we saw as, degenerates in the Web3 ecosystem was, hey, these NFT things, these non-fungible tokens, digital art on the blockchain, this provides a very interesting opportunity for niche art form artists like this, because now all of a sudden you are a high-level light show artist performing, to a camera and getting all these video files.
Sure.
And now you can utilize your audience that you've built for yourself, and you can create a collector base of people that like you as an individual. They like your art, and they're willing to invest into you, into your idea of what your art is as it evolves. And this allows for the opportunity for artists to be able to get paid through their artistic passions, which is quite remarkable. And this is just forming now.
And this is like what transitioned from going, wait a minute, there's something here, to building Throwlights, which turns into also taking what you understood, which was what some e-commerce and your ability to brand things. And then what you did, and I'm just following our conversation we had before, is you decided to connect those. Which of those pieces did you find were valuable in like your past experiences? Even though, and I think this is interesting to everybody listening to this, is that even though this is the forefront, right? There's certain things that you could still bring into a metaverse project, like you did